Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you change your hotspot password in your Poco phone. Guys, you want to change your hotspot password in your Poco phone, so as you can change it. And guys, now let's see how to change hotspot password in our Poco phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to change your hotspot password. So after that guys, you can see a portable hotspot. So guys, tap here. Then guys, click on settable portable hotspot, and guys click on this I option, and guys tap here, and guys cut your password. Guys, new password guys, I will take, guys, you can see at least four character, means guys four alphabet, and guys four letter. So I will take guys this 987654321, and guys you want to use this alphabet, so guys you can use it. So I will take this one, and guys right option, guys tap here. Then guys come back, and guys you can see your hotspot password has changed. So like that guys, you can change your hotspot password in your Poco phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching.